Let's start this project. Open your Android Studio and create a new Flutter project. Click in here on the new Flutter project and make sure to select in here Flutter, and then select the SDK part, and then next click on that. Now we will simply give the name to the project. Okay, we will name this as a iJob clone app, and guys, the name must be in small alphabets. Okay, as you guys can see right in here, and instead of space you can give the underscore. There we go. Okay, let's go further and click finish. Close this. In here close that readme. Okay, so our Flutter project has been created successfully. Now first we will go toward the postpack.yaml. We will add some dependencies. First close that main.dart and go to the postpack.yaml right in here. Now we will go down right below this Cupertino icons. We will add some dependencies. Okay, step by step. Open your browser and search for fob.dev. Open that first one. Okay, fob.dev. So in here first we will search for catch network image. Okay, as you guys can see right in here, just write this catch network image. Okay, press enter. So we will add that one, that first one. Okay, Flutter library to load and catch network images. Okay, so we will simply use that for that purpose. Okay, so click on that, go to the installing, and in here we will simply copy that dependency. Okay, copy that, go back to the Android Studio and right in here below this Cupertino icon, paste it. Okay, there we go. Now we will go back. Now this time we will search for image picker. Okay, just to simply pick the image. Okay, as you guys can see right in here, Flutter plugin for selecting images from the Android and iOS image library and tagging new picture with the camera. So for that purpose we will use that. Simply go to the image picker and go to installing, and in here copy that, go back to the Android Studio below this catch network image, paste it. Okay, let's go back. So we will add it one by one. Now this time we will search for image cropper, just to simply crop the image. Okay, for cropping images, go to installing, image cropper, copy that, go back, right in here, paste it. Again we will go back. This time I'm going to search for the Flutter icon. It will simply customize our icons. Okay, you can also read that, so you guys will get the idea. Flutter icons from popular web icons fonts. Okay, customize your final icon. So let's go and copy the dependency. There we go. Go back in here, paste it. Again we will go back. Now we will search for URL launcher. We can need this on our project, so it will simply launch the URL. Okay, and you guys can see right in here, you can read that it will simply support web, phone, SMS and email schemes. So let's go and copy the dependencies. Okay, go back to the Android Studio, and here as usual paste it, and it must be in a proper alignment, as you guys can see right in here. Let's go back. Now we will search for curve navigation bar. Okay, this will simply adjust the color, background color, animation curve, animation duration for the navigation bar. Okay, so let's go, and you guys can also see it right in here. Okay, implementation of a curve navigation bar. So we're gonna add the dependencies. There we go. Go back, right in here, paste it. Okay, the proper alignment. Again, search for UUID, and in here, and basically this is just a UUID generator. Okay, you can read that. Now simply we will go and install the UUID. So get that dependencies UUID and go back to the Android Studio, add it right in here. Again you will go back. Now simply search for Flutter toast. This will simply create a toast messages right in the single line of code. Okay, you guys can see right in here. So let's go and add that in here, paste it down below. Go back to the pub.doc, gonna search for the Firebase auth, Firebase authentication. Okay, it's just a plugin for the Firebase auth. Okay, this will simply enable the Android and iOS authentication using password, phone number, identity, etc., as you guys can see right in here. So simply go and install the dependencies. There we go. Go back, right in here, paste it. Pub.doc, go back in here, gonna search for the Firebase core. It's a plugin for the Firebase core. It will simply enable and connect it to the multiple Firebase app. Okay, so install that. Go back to the Android Studio. In here, paste it. Again, we will go back. This time, I'm gonna search for the Cloudflare store. Okay. So we will install the plugin for the Cloudflare store. You can read that. You will get the idea. So now simply you will go and install the dependencies. There we go. Right in here, paste it. Now the last one we will add for the storage, Firebase storage. Okay, so let's go and do that. In here, simply we will search for Firebase storage. As you guys can see right in here, it's a plugin for the Firebase cloud storage. Okay, you can read that. Go and we will simply install dependencies. Okay, so go back to the Android Studio and down in here paste it. So we are done with all of the dependencies. Okay, you guys can see right in here. So now simply you will click on that object, it will import it. So there we go, it's done. Okay, so that's it for this video. Right, in the next video we will work further right from here.